I will talk about how can you enable marketing notifications on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. When you just click here on notification settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notification categories, then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, come here to marketing, then you click in this sign that like you see this color show for us. That's main marketing notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.